Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome to the AI Vibe Coder Live. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna build an app today. Basically, I don't know. I've been brainstorming on some apps, and I think so. I did a app that was like a video frame extractor, and that one ended up being my most popular one that sold the most. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with that again. So it was something similar, right? Something with video. So yeah, I was thinking about it, and I think like a video compression app is gonna be the way to go, right? Just something that will basically compress videos. I feel like that's like a pain point a lot of people have. Like, I know when I want to compress a video, I usually open up Premiere, drop the video in there, and then just fuck with the bit rate and stuff and compress it. So I think we can just make a nice, simple video compression app where you can just basically drop the video into this tiny little interface. Maybe be able to view like one frame of it and then kind of just compress it and compress it, and you'll be able to view that frame. So as long as that frame's not like getting all distorted and stuff, then you understand that like, hey, I'm not over compressing it, right? And you can really get to like that max compression and stuff. So that's the plan here. So we'll see how that goes. I gotta chat real quick. Let me see if it's anything important. No, nothing important. All right, all right. Let me reply though. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So first thing, as always, I'm a big fan of just staying like super organized with your projects and everything, right? So let's come up into A Drive apps. So this is gonna be photo apps. I'm gonna do video apps. Look, we already got one. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Meme Creator Pro. I forgot. I haven't even started this one yet. Ugh, I need to. Okay, so actually, before I even make the folder for it, we need to come up with a name for it. I think. All right, so I'm gonna pop open. Let me sign in over here real fast. And then we're gonna come up with a name for the app, right? Because like the name for the app is just it's gonna help me stay organized by doing everything together in the same place, and to keep the folder named the same thing that the app is gonna be instead of coming up with a name and then not being able to name it that. So I'll bring this over to that monitor in a second as soon as I can verify that everything is not showing any personal information. So give me just a moment. New product. Wait. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So I'm thinking me. I want to do like video compression. Let's take a look at the Microsoft Store and just take a look to see what's in here for video compression, what they're calling it. And it was also interesting that like when I searched video compression, it came up with video compressor. Was like, see, even when I search video compression, video compressor seems to come up. So let's take a look at this. Video compressor. Video converter, video compressor, resize and compress. Yeah, I think we're just gonna call it video compressor. I don't know. Video compressor, I guess let's just see if this is taken, like what happens. Alright, video compressor pro. Video compressor app. Video compression. Video compression. Is this even valid though? Like, let's take a look here. Hey, so is video compression a valid name for an app, or would it be valid video compressor? Like, what do you think? Video is versus concept, but as an app name, it sounds more like a feature or menu than a product people search for. Okay, well listen, video compressor is already taken. Like everything's video compressor, but there's nobody that has video compression. I could literally steal that name. Should I just go for it, or what do you think? Like the video compression app? I don't know. What do you think? I almost just I feel like what's better for SEO? I think it's just video compression because we're not doing batch or anything like that. If you can own the unclean or untaken phrase, that has real value. That's what I'm saying too. Nobody has video compression. When I searched it, like that's what I typed in, right? So I'm sure there's other people that are gonna do that. All right, perfect. So video compression it is. Let's make sure that we're not. All right, perfect. Reserve the name. Come on, fingers crossed. Oh my gosh. Can we give it to me? Hang on, I don't like the song. Dude, why is it just spinning? Is it giving it to me? Video compression, we got it, guys, we got it. Fucking God is good. All right, cool, cool. So let's keep going then. So video compression it is. We're gonna make a new folder. And let's do this. Claude dangerously skip permissions so we don't fuck around. All right, cool. So now we're up in this right now. So let's do a prompt. Hey, what's up? So we're gonna build an app. It's called Video Compression. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. So I want it to be like pretty simple, straightforward, like very easy for people to use. Like, you know, compressing videos is like, it's not complicated, but for somebody that doesn't know about it, it can be complicated. So like, let's just make it simple. All right, so this is what I want. I want like a UI or something. And I think we do this in Electron, by the way. But I want like a UI to where basically I open the app and then I can just drag a video into the app. The video has probably like a little bit of a player where basically, you know, there's like a slider where I can like select a different frame. All right, hang on one second. My cat is begging to get in here. Come on, come on in. Let's go. All right. Oh. All right, since I'm back, take a look at this little guy. I haven't named him yet. He's just a little baby kitten. I know, you're so scared. I'll let you go. I was just showing everybody you. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Oh. Let me show you guys this one. Oh. Here's another one. He's so cute. I haven't named him yet either. I have 9 of them. I have homes for 6 of them, so I have to find homes for 3 more. But okay, let's get back to work. So I was doing my prompts. Cat interrupted me. Okay, let me just keep going. So once I drop the video in, I can select a frame, all that stuff, and then there's going to be another slider which is going to be like compression, right? And as I compress it, I'll be able to see like the quality of like the video just on that one frame I selected. So basically if I over compress it, or I can see like the quality is dropping of that frame, then I'd be like, oh, better slide the slider up a little bit more, right? And we'll probably also have like our default like recommended amounts and like presets like that, just to make it easy, but like also just give like some like extra compression avail options and stuff as well. So for that slider, I'm guessing it's basically just going to be the bit rate is what we're going to move up and down. So let me know what you think of this so far. And also, like, what other features do you think we should add into this, right? Should it, like, try to have the option to, like, resize the image, the video from, like, 4K to 2K or whatever, or just, like shrink the video but maintain the aspect ratio? Like, what's your thought on that? I want to keep it basic and simple, so I don't want to go too crazy, but if you feel like changing it from, like, a 4,000 pixel wide video to a 2,000 pixel wide video is going to shrink it and compress it, then maybe we give it that feature. So let me know what your thoughts are. All right. So now we'll give him the prompt. And then from there, we're going to just see what's going on. And let's put this over here. So ChatGPT now has, what the hell is it? So they're basically like, well, let me just give him this thing. So we're going to see this, just give him a minute to read it. Go ahead and generate me a logo based on what you think this app should be like. Basically remember that, like, for the logo, I want something that's like simple, nothing like very crazy, right? Maybe like VC in big letters or something. I don't know. And like, don't go crazy with like a whole bunch of gradients and colors. Just like keep it like something kind of simple. All right. So let's see what he comes up with. All right. Oh shit! I forgot to do this. We're gonna go to plan mode. Right? Because, like, when you start a prompt, like, woo, let's jump in plan. All right, now let's see what he said, though. Love the concept. It's a real gap. Handbrake exists, but it's intimidating. QuickTime's export smaller. Black box. Hang on, let's make this full screen. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Well, whatever. One thing I have flagged here with live frame preview. Video codecs like H2 is compress across frames, IP frames. So encoding a single frame at bitrate, it won't look the same as the frame sitting inside a full video bitrate. I kind of had a thought about that. Cheap and fast. Re-encode just a selected frame as a still at the equivalent quality, close enough as a directional indicator, not exact. Oh, I like this. Encode a short 2 to 3 second clip around a selected frame. I show that frame from the output is slower but honest. Let's start with the cheap version, upgrade later if you feel the same. Yeah, I think the cheap version. For a quality slider, UX, CRF review. For a quality slider, UX, CRF, lower, better, is actually a better fit than bitrate. It targets quality unless the file size fall out. Bitrate is better when the user has a target size in mind. Fit under 25 megabytes for Discord. My suggestion, make the slider CRF based default. Show estimated file size. Okay, sure, that makes sense, I guess. I didn't really think about it like that. On resolution downscaling, yes, include it. Dropping 4K to 1080. 4K is often a single biggest win for file size. with barely perceptible quality losses, much more than cranking the quality slider. Keep it simple though, drop down like keep original 1080 that maintains the aspect ratio. Don't expose custom dimensions. Yeah. A few other features worth considering, keep it minimal. Trim start end. You're already building a scrubber, so adding 2 handles is cheap and genuinely useful. Cutting 10 seconds off often beats compression. Yeah. I guess, yeah. That's not bad, I guess. A little bit of a trimmer effect. I don't hate that. Audio bitrate preset. Just keep reduced from toggle audios often. Matters for talking in videos. Codec choices. Okay. Alright, let's talk to him. Okay. Yeah, that all sounds pretty good. Let's go with option 1 where you said you're going to use the frame and re-encode like a single frame as like a directional indicator, right? That the cheap and fast one. That sounds good to me. And then yeah, the resolution downscaling, yeah, just give keep original 1080, 720, 480. That sounds good, and it maintains the aspect ratio whether it was like portrait mode or whether it was like landscape. That sounds good to me. And then the trim start end. Let's go ahead and add that because you're absolutely right. Like when you're compressing a video, sometimes like it's like, man, if I can just trim it just a little bit, that would be great. And maybe what we also do is add like one more small feature, which is gonna be speed it up, or I guess you could have us slow it down if we were already doing that, right? Like to speed. Maybe it's just like a slider, right? And it's like the default is at 0, but then you can slow it down if you really wanted to, right? Some people might just use it as a little editor, and if they want to, that's fine. But you can also speed it up, right? Because if you speed up the video a little bit, you know, you could save off like 10 or 20 seconds on the video. And if you do that, then by saving that time, you know, you just have it, you're able to compress it longer, right? Because it's a shorter video, so, or compress it more. So yeah, otherwise that all sounds good. Yeah, we're not gonna fuck with watermarks, filters, color correction, any of that shit. So yeah, that sounds good. Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna give him the plan here, and then he's gonna come up with an official plan. We'll do a quick see run through of it, make sure it looks good, and then after that we'll start building it out. I fucking hate this logo. Try again. All right, we'll give him a minute here to see if he can come up with a better logo than that, because this one sucks. VC, I mean, I guess that's good, but like, I don't know. Let me try to think, like, what would I imagine the video compressor app to be looking like? I suppose, like, if I went to, back to the Microsoft store, and let's just take a look at these other logos real fast. You know, as always, like, we don't want to copy anybody's logos, right? But we can get ideas and stuff. So a film strip is pretty common. This is like some custom weird thing, more about branding, I guess. Camera, action. I kind of like how they do have the arrows, but this is more for like a converter thing. Maybe like I don't know. I think something with that's kind of cute would be good. All right. Okay, give me this. Give me 4 logo prompts. Be detailed in them. I want them to all be kind of cute, right? And I'm almost thinking of like some type of animal, right? Like maybe he's like squeezing um like a film strip or like a camera or like something like that, right? So he's saying like, "Hey, I'm compressing this video or something," right? And then we'll have the text video compression because the app is called video compression, right? Something like that. So give me 4 detailed prompts, make them cute, not too many colors, stuff like that, but not like gay cute, you know, but pretty cute. All right, let's see what he comes up with, and then what I'll do is I'll run these through Hylio. All right, hopefully there's no embarrassing pictures in here when we do this. I doubt there will be. I think I last did yeah, my last app, so we're good. All right. All right. I do this velo. I'm trying to quit these things. Like I quit smoking, right? But like, I don't know. I'm gonna quit these at some point here. For now, I'm at the smallest nicotine level. I don't know. It's a waste of money and stuff, but it's what it is. It's what I do. All right, let's see what he came up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, and like already I know that like we're doing probably a little bit busy for a logo, but like I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it anyways. And we're gonna see how it works. 2, 1. All right. Fingers crossed that like one of these is good. I would imagine that at least one of them has to turn out good. All right, did he come up with the plan yet? Like, what the hell is he doing, bro? We're in plan mode, right? Got it. I know I'll launch a plan. He's still coming up with this plan. I wonder how long he's gonna be working on this app when he's doing it. Like 4 minutes into the plan, damn. All right, well, I guess we'll find out, right? But I mean, I think this is gonna be solid. I think it's gonna end up selling and stuff. I'm close to, well, yeah, I'm right at about like $100 a month or something with these apps. So that's not bad, you know. I got like just about 10 of them out. I think I just released like my 9th or 10th one. And so yeah, I think I don't know, man. We get to 100 apps, so which is 10x more than I've been doing it. I basically did everything in like 2 months. Then yeah, we should be at like $1,000 a month, right? And that'll be freaking dope. And then we just keep on building and building, right? Get to about like 3,000 or 4,000 a month, and I'll be doing really good. But just one app at a time, you know, and everything's a learning experience too. Okay, so here we go. When the user hits export, where should the compressed file go by default? Original compressed next to the source file. Every export opens a native save dialog. Yeah, I kind of want the native save dialog one. Or let's just put it into my downloads folder. Oops, not this one. Can you just by default put it in my downloads folder, but maybe there's like a button or something somewhere that says like save as, and then you can put it into whatever folder you wanted to? Because I know personally I like it to go to my downloads, but I could see some people wanting to go, or maybe what you do is you do save as, right? And that's like the default method. But then what happens is you have an option to select a folder and then just say like, don't show this dialog box again or something, right? So then like you set a preset folder. So, and then, yeah, and then you don't have to deal with that box. Something like that. I don't know exactly what. Okay. It's loader and Clipper fame at 1.3 for preview 260. Yeah, we're gonna use H.264. That's what everybody uses. Alright. Build target for V1. The plan ships Windows installer first. Mac OS needs extra work. Oh shit, I forgot to mention. We're putting this into Microsoft Store, right? So this needs to be an MSIX package, right? We're going to wrap it up like that, and it's going to the Microsoft Store. This is not going to Mac. We're only doing Windows. So that's why I wanted to use Electron, so we could wrap it up. Alright, so let's put that in there. Yeah, that would be a sucky thing, because I've done that before, where like I build an app or whatever, and then afterwards I'm like, shit, this is in the wrong freaking format, and we have to like redo it. But you know, he usually does it faster the second time, I guess, but like, or just converting it, but like, still sucks. So, but nah, this is gonna be good. I think we got a good thing going on right here. So MSX side package. Yeah, fucking right. Need to bake into that plan. All right, so he's gonna bake it. Let's see what we got. Video compression. Video compression. That's kind of cool. Like he's just squeezed in the freaking video. I actually like this a lot. I think we're gonna change the animal up, but I like that. The fox. No, I don't like that. The panda. I don't like that either. No, I am Lucky Panda, so like, but my panda isn't very cute. I like this one. Recreate. No, I want to do, hang on. We're going to reference this. Change the animal to another cute animal, but not like super cute. And then we're going to go 4x, right? Actually, I'm just going to go 1. Because I think if I go 4x, it's going to do the same animal. In fact, let's do it. Watch. I'll do 2, and then I'll do another set of 2. But I think these sets of 2 are going to come out as the same animals, right? Like, instead, as if I were to do, like, 4 singles, then I think it's going to be, like, 4 different animals. I don't know why he does it like that, but he does. What happened to my music? Play. Oh, I got a text message. Okay, we're good. Alright, so he's coming up with the plan still. That's good. We're getting our logo set. And then once we get our logo set, we're going to have to come up with all of the images that we need. And you know what I'm going to do? Is I'm going to make this list of all the images that we need. So let's come back up into here. In my marketing, we're just going to create a text file. And then I'm just going to call it image sizes Microsoft Store. Because I always forget, but like, yeah, we're going to get them all. All right, we're going to open this up. And then, hey, stop fucking with the window. The cats, dude. The cats. Okay. And then we're going to look at, you know, let's just put this over here. Oh, here we go. He made his plan. Let's see what he came up with. Holy cannoli. Holy cannoli. What is going on here? I don't even know really, dude. This looks fine to me, I guess. Yeah. Scaffold, JSON, known gotchas, instrument requirement, portrait aspect, that sounds good. Never spawn with shell, true, whatever that means, okay. Sounds good, yeah, just do it, bro. Yep, alright, so now he is just gonna work, and we're just gonna let him work at it. Probably take him a few minutes. Not a big deal. So one of the biggest themes with Claude is like, now that he's doing this, like I could just I could like sit back and just like doom scroll, but like it's a waste of time, right? And the point of this is to like be active, be busy and stuff. When I'm streaming, it actually motivates me to stay busy and not doom scroll or whatever, right? Because there's a lot of stuff that I can do that like Claude isn't going to do for me, right? And some of that is going to be like do these images and stuff. The music keeps stopping. And just get like the branding and stuff set. So let's I'm gonna do this here. We're gonna put this over here, and we're gonna just label this out. All right. So I just did batch image overlay. These ones are pretty good for store art. So, all right, we're gonna tile art, which is 71 by 71, 150 by 150, and 300 by 300. This is like a logo or something. All right, and then I need mobile, which is 1440 by 2160. App art, that's what we're gonna call it. What the hell did I just say it was? 1440 by 2160. Okay. 2160 by 2160. And then we have like video thumbnail. Oh, dude, there's a raccoon out there. Hi, raccoon. What are you doing, buddy? He's eating the cat's food. I don't know why like they don't eat all their food, dude. All right, the 1920 by 1080. That's what I kind of figured. Cool. And then everything's PNG. Everything PNG. All right, perfect. And then now I just have this for later, for which will actually be helpful for just in general. We're gonna do like that, 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 dot, dot, dot. All right, saved. Now we can minimize this. It's fine. He's going. He's in phase A. He's gonna have to burn through tokens on this thing. Yeah, and just so you know, I'm on the $100 monthly plan, which I don't even know how many tokens it gives me. It's a lot. I've only maxed out my tokens one time. So yeah, no, he's great. Okay. So yeah, this is going well. All right. Let's take a look at my logos again. Oh, he did different animals. Let's just do 4 then. Let him keep generating it. So he's gonna come up with some more animals. Kind of like this cat. He's kind of cute. This guy's kind of cool. I don't know what he is. A badger? I think he's a badger. So that might be the way to go with the badger. Now I need like some better text. Generate the text video compression. Do some kind of like cartoon type font. Use like kind of rounded edges, right? Like a little bit of a border radius. We're not doing like sharp points and stuff. And it's gonna be a PNG, transparent PNG, right? So no background. All right, let's see if he can generate this. Maybe a cow. I think a cow would be kind of cool. I don't know, I like cows. But I'm not liking the text, like video compression and other stuff. And then maybe I just do the text in Photoshop, I don't know. We'll see. That might be the thing to do. But we'll see. We'll see what he comes up with too. Video compression. do it again, but I want video to be on one line and then compression to be on one line. But like the width of those words should basically be the same, which means video is just gonna be larger text. All right, and do try it again, and use like solid colors for this. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I might. We're gonna see what he comes up with. Where's my cow? I want to see him. Well, for now, I'm gonna just grab. I think I'm gonna grab the bear. Yeah, let's just take him for right now, and we'll swap him out as we go. But so we're gonna do 1,000 by 2,000. That's fine. Oops, wrong way. Canvas size 2,000 by 1,000. That's what I meant. And actually, it's gonna be more like 2,000 or like 1,600 by 1,000. Proceed, and let's close these out. All right. So next, let's go ahead and let's see what else he came up with real fast. Fox. I don't know if I really like the fox either. Come on, do something cooler, my friend. Well, he'll keep coming with them. We can like swap him out later, I guess, you know, as we go. So let's just get this bear in here for right now. Downloads. Now what I would like to do is pull him out though, which should be pretty straightforward. The line looks pretty solid, I think. We're gonna see how it comes out. Let me see if I can do object selection on him. Fingers crossed. It pulls them. Alright, select, we'll do cloud. Select my little dude, perfect. Got all my text too. That's fine. I don't really care about the text. We're gonna erase this because I don't want this text. Goodbye text. Okay. So now I got my panda. Let's put another background on him. Let's do a dark background, and then we'll see. If he's got any trim. That came out pretty good actually. I think we gotta adjust his lighting just a little bit though, but color balance. Maybe not color balance. Curves is what I want. Where are you? There you are. All right, we're gonna clip that to him. And let's see if we can get these darks to be a little darker. That's looking better to me. Yeah, he looks a lot more vibrant. Colors are coming out a lot more. I like that a lot. Alright, so now he's gonna come over here. And let's see, so we're on phase D. He's coming up. I gotta hurry up, you know. The cow with his little udders. This is the one. Man, and I just did that thing with him. That's fine. I like this guy. He's so cute. Yeah. Oh man, I love the cow. Oh, it's such a good idea. All right, cool. So we're gonna switch you out. Sorry, Bear. I liked you, but you have been replaced, my friend. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep you there though, still. But man, we're just gonna. I'm just gonna merge this. It's fine. All right. So now. Where's my cow at? Yeah, the cow came in clutch. I can't. He really did. Alright, so same thing. Cloud. Select them. Alright. Write this one out, and then we're going to erase this. Goodbye. And then let's put a curves on them. Now I think about it, I shouldn't have deleted my last curves, but it's not a big deal. Alright, so this is going to come down here just a wee bit. Yeah, this one's not looking as good. Let's try this again. I mean, I guess that works. I don't know. Some of the lighting on him isn't like perfect. Overall, that's good. See, I'm looking at the tail right down here. I'm like, I don't like 100% like it. But at the same time, I'm not sure exactly what I would do. Like, I could brush it, but I don't think I'm going to. Let's see what else generated though. Milk cow, milk cow. No, I think the cow is good. I think he's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna mess with it any more than this. Like, that's fine. It looks good to me. Let me see what I can do here. Okay, that doesn't look bad. So let's do this. We're gonna do a layer, new adjustment layer. Or I guess we could do new fill layer. Or no, let's just do a new adjustment layer. It's fine. No, we'll do a new fill layer, solid color. Okay. Put that right there. Can release the clipping mask. And on this guy, should be able to, like, let's just see if it works. Oops. Alright, hang on. I think I did this wrong. So this is this. Layer, new layer. We're just do it like this. Okay. So that's good. Let's go black. Like almost jet black. That'll work. That looks good to me. Alright, we're gonna merge all this shit now. Merge the layers. Let's put my little cow over here. He has like this fucking fringe on him. Wait, no he doesn't. That was only when I was moving him around. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna get some text. Oh, well, let's see what AI came out with. He did, I didn't send it. That's stupid. Video. We're gonna do the same color as this. That's fine. And then font. I don't really want to do Montserrat. Probably do one of these like kind of fun fonts. I don't hate this. Gothic heavy. Gilsons. This might work, whatever the hell this shit is. I do not liking the brown though. Maybe this shaded color. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. Compression. Even that up a little bit. I'll bring this in just a little bit. Cool. And let's clear these guides out real fast. Okay. Oops, my thing stopped. That's what I'm thinking right there. Now on this cow, he does actually have some white fringe on him though. So let's see if we can get rid of that. I thought he did earlier, but then I didn't. There we go. Perfect. And now that's our logo. Look at that, dude. Nice and clear, right? So it's like AI, but it's not like straight AI and stuff. So, and I think it came out great. I love it. So what we're gonna do is now this is great on dark screens for sure. I'm gonna have to like put like a border on the text for light screens, right? Because like watch when I do a light screen, white, but like in general my logo, my background is gonna be for the white screens or the black screens. Even this one is okay. I would probably make the text just darker if that's the case, but it's not a big deal. So for right now, we're going to trim this, and we're just gonna get this logo ready for sure. Actually, fuck. All right, hang on. Go back. This should all be bigger. He was bigger before. And I'd rather have like a bigger logo for my root. Now I'm not gonna vectorize this. I'm never gonna print this. It's just like a one-time app logo, so I don't really care too much about like vectorizing and all that stuff. But so let's see, where are we at? Image, trim. Okay. Logo. for dark background. And then I have two options. One is like I could just take this and change it to like this color and use this for my light background. So it'd be like that. I don't like that though. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on a white background first, and then we're just gonna add some. I don't know that I want to do. Probably just want to do a stroke. All right. Let me move this over here so we can see it. So stroke, we're gonna go heavier. Probably right about there for sure. And color is we're gonna grab this color. And I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's good. Cool. And then we're just gonna copy these effects. Copy layer style, and we're gonna paste that onto here. Perfect. And then let's canvas size. Image canvas size. We just gotta increase the width by like 20, 15, 25 from the left. A few more pixels. We'll just do 30. I'd rather it be a little bit bigger than not big enough. And on this layer, we're gonna just do a little more white. Oops. Alright, perfect. Now let's get rid of the white. And here we go. This is my logo. And I think this logo is going to look good on the dark background too. Yeah, I don't know if I like this stroke so much on the dark. I kind of like it more without on the dark, but either ways, I think it works. And then next, we gotta do my favicon icon. So we're just gonna do 1000. We'll do 800 by 800. And then we're just gonna grab Mr. Cow. Actually, let's do a black layer first. And then let's grab the cow. Boom. Boom. We want to bring him all the way up to the edges if we can. You know? And then that's perfect right there. Emblem. Black PG. And then we're going to do one without emblem PG or emblem transparent. That's fine. Cool. And then he's still working. Alright, so we're gonna test this app in a second. I just alright, yeah, that's fine. Let's test the app. Okay. Open it up. Let's see what we've been building. Let's find out. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It said JavaScript error. Come on, dude. Get it right. All right, and now let's open up my favicon converter. And we're gonna drop in, I think the emblem with the black background is what I want. And I built this app, I don't even know when, a few weeks ago. I've only sold like 2 of them, but like, whatever. It's been helpful for me, so. Select folder, favicons. Oh shit, we have to build a folder, it's fine. Favicons. And then from there, right, like it just built me a whole list of favicons. Amazing. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, he's working on his thing. We're gonna just work on our thing for a minute. Not a big deal. So we're gonna go A, apps, video apps. Video compression is the app. So we're gonna copy this. And then inside marketing, we're gonna do this again, video compression, and we're just gonna make some folders here. So one is going to be favicons. We're gonna drop that in here. And then we're gonna do logos. And this is gonna be go. This is gonna call it raw file. Right, I don't wanna lose that, but I don't think I'm really ever gonna need that. And we'll just drop all these in here. Logo. Perfect. And then from there we can delete all of these. And now my favicons, I'm actually going to copy it. And then we're going to put it inside photo apps. Video apps. Video compression. This is the app we're building. And we got favicons right in here, right? And then I'm going to have him add this favicon, the proper sizes and everything. So let's do a little prompt so he can get that set up as well. All right, if you're looking inside the root folder of your project, I just added another folder called favicons, and I want you to add a favicon to the app, right? And use the right size favicon for it. And then also for the desktop shortcut, go ahead and add a favicon to that, and just make sure once again that you're using the right size favicon, okay? And I think that's basically it for right now, okay? And then also go ahead and just add the desktop shortcut to my home screen as well. And now that I'm doing this favicon, I almost think like, hey, I wonder if I should use, I almost feel like I should use like the transparent version of it. Because I'm thinking like this black thing over here. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's see how this one looks. And, well, I don't know. Let's clear it. And let's drop in the transparent version of it. Because I'm like, I don't know. I really think... I really think this is going to be better. Did it do it? I don't think I did it. Favicons trans. Yeah, alright, so we're going to take these. And then we're gonna put them in here. We're gonna delete these ones. Wait, this is video apps, video conversion. Yeah, okay. We're gonna delete these. And then we're gonna use the transparent one. And then let's grab my prompt and then let's give that to our AI friend. And then here's our app. We're gonna test it out in a second. Reopen it once you are done. Cool. So let's find a video here. I guess we're gonna go look at my AI videos, so don't laugh at me, guys. We're gonna filter by video. I have like a bunch of robot videos that I want to grab. Up. Here we go. That watermark. Okay. So now this has been downloaded. Let's drop the image in here, or the video. And right now, so I can see this video is 11.2 megabytes. Alright, so look at this. So first of all, let's just do like a small ass video and export it. And there we go. Length 0 seconds. That's interesting. Wow. Okay, cool. So the trim works, so that's cool. Pretty straightforward and simple to use as well. Small file. Oh, I think he opened it or closed it because I told him to. All right, we'll give him a second then. Yeah, see, restart Electron. Close this guy out. I fucking love this cow, dude. Cracks me up. And you know what else I'm excited for is to get this cow. Let's go back to my images. Exit. Which is the one we used? This guy? Let's reference this guy real fast. Now remove the text at the bottom. And we're gonna do, this one's gonna be 4K. I'm gonna do 2 of them. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a video of him like compressing this freaking video. It's gonna be great. And then that'll be the video I use for like my demo and stuff as well, right? Because like after we build the app, we gotta demo it. All right. So, anyways, I see this little cow here, although he's pretty blurry, my favicon. So let's see what the hell happened there, and let's take a look at the home screen icon as well. Did he do it? Kind of blurry, I feel like, and maybe it's just too much detail. Let's ask him. Why is my favicon? It's kind of blurry and stuff on the icon of the app. Like, what size did you use when you selected one? So we're gonna see here. Come on, buddy, tell me. Anyways, he's telling me that. I'm not sure why it's so blurry, but don't know why he's not answering me either. I want to see the details. So by default, this video was 720 pixels. So let's oh, what did he say? What are you doing? Why are you restarting the thing? I just asked you a question. What size favicon did you use? All right, don't do anything. Just tell me which one you used. Okay. Did you swap it to the proper size then? Is it better now? I guess it's whatever. I probably have to like get a higher quality image if I was gonna fix it. Which I'm not really trying to mess with so much. Look, he kept the text in here. Remove the text at the bottom. He kept it on one. I don't know why that's so hard for him to do, but whatever. Ooh, 16:9 for this. One should be fine. Alright. So he's building that. Okay. So now, let's add the video in and let's see if we can. All right. Well, let me do this. Because one thing I don't like is All right. So one thing I don't like is that when I drop the video into the app, it says loading and it has the file path. It's really ugly and stuff. So can we replace that with a loading bar? And can we make the bar and the color scheme kind of like a gradient? So I kind of want the colors to be like, maybe blue is okay, I guess. but like maybe like a little bit of a gradient blue, so it's a little bit more futuristic looking. Can we do something like that? And then anyways, the loading bar would kind of be that gradient. And maybe there's like a little bit of a purple hinge in there as well. So something like that. Hang on, I don't need the nicotine. Let's just try that once, see what he comes up with. And then let's come back to doing this video or this image. Alright, let's go with that for a minute. Alright, so I exported it. 1.5 megabytes. Not too shabby, not too shabby at all. Alright, what I need to know is like how do I make a GIF? Because what I want to do with this cow video is I actually want to see if I can make him into like a GIF of him like compressing this video. Hey, how do I turn a video into a GIF? Or would it be better just to like compress the shit out of like a small video? Because it's only a few seconds. What are your thoughts? Alright, he's gonna give me some feedback here. What, I don't want an image. Why are you giving me an image? All right, so we're just gonna do like a video, tiniest video, and I'm just gonna compress it in here as we go. Once we get it, I think that's gonna be the way to go. Let's see how he's still generating this video. He's still working on those things. All right, that's fine. Let's take a look at this. So like. Alright, so we got an issue here. Like I can't see the video. Okay, so I have an issue in the viewer. I can't see the video. I can see it in the timeline, and that's great, but like I can't. I just have like two black boxes. Can you take a look and see what's going on with that? Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. This one's a vector that I did, this little panda. And he looks so much smoother than like most of all these favicons. This one's pretty good. It came out well. But yeah, this was not smooth. This one's not smooth. This one came out good. Interesting. Oh, and then we wait a second until he gets this down. Well, let's take a look and see if these videos came back yet. This one's not bad. We're gonna go 4K. Let's take a look at this. It's not bad. I can see him just compressing that thing back and forth. We're gonna download this one as soon as it's done, and then I'll do like a before and after and see what we can do. the fuck did my thing go? There it is. I'm gonna put this over here. It's still just two black boxes, like under video compression and then also under compressed preview. And then I see that you have like a hold to see original, and I hold that and it says rendering preview, but the screen is just still black. So, and I click around, I see the text comes up, it says encoding, but the image doesn't pop up. So can you take a look and see if we can figure out what's going on? I'm gonna do another like background image prompt real quick. Hey, generate an image for me. I want like the background basically to be like a 222, and then maybe there's like just like a few like stripes that are kind of like silver-ish, like big thick stripes, right? Going in like different directions, maybe about 3 or 4 of them, almost kind of like ribbons, and they're kind of like curved a little bit. And this is just kind of like think like web design, like futuristic, like background design and stuff, right? Like I'm gonna place stuff over this, so see if you can generate something like that. All right, he's generating it. Yeah, and then I'll do that background for like this app background, and I think it'll make it look a little bit nicer, just a little bit cleaner. Remove the numbers. I don't know why you put numbers, and remove like the black texture behind, and yeah, make it more like a 3D graphic, right? This looks almost like a photograph of like some silver shit. I don't want that. Alright, we're gonna try this again. I don't know why he put 222. Oh, to be like a 222 color, bro, not like a fucking number. I was talking about the hex color 222, not like the actual number. Okay, that's a little bit better. Now just give that some more textures and stuff, and kind of bring it to life just a little bit more. See if you can do something like that. You're wrong. Yeah, that's right. You're wrong, dude. Get it right. No, he's gonna get it. It's not a big deal. That's fine. We're gonna take this and run with it. Can you make it look more like a graphic? Right now it looks too much like this was a picture of something, right? I want it to look more like 3D, like it's not really real. More like it could be moving. Like I needed some more motion and stuff in it, right? There's also like pieces of like ribbon that like go under ribbons that you have, but then it's like where do they go? They should be continue the streak, right? Like you have it a little bit weird and stuff. See if you can edit it again. Alright, so let's add the video up in here. See if you got it right this time. There we go. Now I can see it. Let's take a look at the bottom compression, which this is 8 seconds. .34 megabytes. Okay. So a few things, like what is this big black box? This is good. I like this a lot. And we'll work with it. Okay, now in the app, so the box on the right, I can actually see the video as I compress it and stuff. What's the black box on the left supposed to be? Because right now it's just a big black box. So I'm not sure. Like underneath where it says like video compression, I see the compress preview, but I don't see like what the other side. What is the other side supposed to be? Alright, so we'll figure this out. Alright, so on this guy, this is the WebP52 codecs. I might even put like a filter on this thing. Actually, now I'm looking at it. 1536 by 1024. Let's see what we got here. Even this, it's not like very smooth. You know what I'm gonna do? Is we're gonna run this through Hylio. I think we can get a better one through Hylio. I'm gonna go 4K. Upscale. We'll go with 4 of them. Anti-Christ. Cool. Okay. What are we doing? Did he do it? Can you do me a favor? In the detached DevTools window that open alongside the app, check the console tab and tell me what the errors are there. Likely something like failed to load. Okay, let's take a look-see. So... I don't see a detached window. Maybe I closed it. Oops. Okay, so he's adding some on error thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so he's doing something. In the meantime, let's come back over here, see what we got. I like this. Alright, did we get my other videos? Let's make a video. Alright, cool. So he's generating that video, which I think this video is going to come out great. Let's see if he did this. He relaunched the app. Let's put a new video in. There we go. Just over here for a second. Okay, so on the right side where I have the compressed preview, why is that one not full screen? Can we make that full screen and like make those boxes kind of even or something? Because right now it's like the compressed preview is just a very much smaller, right? I want both boxes to maintain the same aspect ratio and yeah, and then both be like wells, right? And so you have video compression as this like top, like I don't know, I would like to say like on the left box, I guess say like original video and then compressed preview. Does that make sense? And then yeah, but then they're both the same size, so it's very easy to tell side by side. Cool. So he's gonna tweak that up. And then my other issue is that like I would like modes where I can like over compress the video a little bit if I so choose to, you know. Which of these do I like the most? I think I like this one the most. And we're gonna go to Squoosh. I think I need to export it in here first. So 5056 by 3372. Is that right? 3372. Okay, yeah. And we're gonna do this just 2,000 pixels wide. And let's do this again. Honestly, it's like the same as it was before. I think this one was better. All right. All right, so now I'm going to take this app BG and we're going to drop it inside of this folder. We're going to do it in two things. We'll put it in here, video apps. Now let's find Claude here. I want that image to be like the background of this app, right? And then all the wells on top of it would be just like barely semi-transparent. Like I don't really want this image to like distract and everything, but let's keep it as a background image, right? And then make sure, yeah, let's just start with that. I almost feel like what I want to do is like kind of grayscale this down a little bit. So like kind of like this color. And then just bring the opacity in more like that. I think that's actually going to be a little bit smoother and better, less distracting. Okay. So he's gonna edit that a little bit. Cool. These are looking better. I can see like my compressed one. Like this one is like much lower quality. And then high quality, high quality. These look basically the same here. Colors are slightly different. But even so, that's not bad. Oh yeah, audio, I like that. You can reduce it. It brings the size down just a little bit. For AP. Yeah, that all looks good. And let's test it out. So this is 480p, and I export it. Then I'm looking at the video here, and the video comes out as 480p, so it's working. Now let's do it as 1080, which is above what I had. And let's hit it again. Frame width is 1280, but I did 1080p. So why would it come out as 1280 by 720? With this one original is 1280 by 720. Alright, let's ask another question. Okay, I have some questions about the resolution. So you have 1080p, 720p, 480p. Why don't we have like, because the video I have is 1280 pixels wide by 720. Like that should be like a standard size, I feel like. And then also 4K should be a standard size, and I also feel like 8K should be a standard size. And then I also want to say, like, if somebody wants to bring it up to 4K or 8K, let them bring it up. Like, obviously, you're not going to compress it by doing that, but, like, maybe they want to go in reverse. So I think those would be the popular sizes to also include in the list. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's drop that in here so he can make those edits. Alright, I'm gonna go refill my coffee. I'll be right back. Hey, real quick before I go.
Come here, kitty.
Here's that little kitten. Oh my goodness. He's just exploring, he's just curious. Alright, I'll be back. Just like 1 minute. Not even 1 minute. Alright, and I'm back. Let's do this shit. Oh, this is looking cool. Video compression or browse a file. I like that. I got a cracker too. Alright, so let's drop a video in there. Looks good. Looks good. Let's see if it works. Uh-oh. I got an error on the 8K export. See how it came out. That works. Well, let's do it again, because I don't really like it. See, into dust cloud, and it holds up the new one. All right, yeah, let's try that. Let's see how that guy comes out. We can exit this. We can exit this one too. Yeah, this is going pretty good though, to be honest. I think trying to think if there's any other features, and what up, whoever's in the chat, if you got any ideas or whatever, throw it out. But trying to think if I need any other extra little features once we work out all the bugs. I don't think so, but I do need to test it with a different size video. I'm not gonna do that fucking cat shit. Let me download this. Yeah, we'll test it with this shit and see how it works. Oh shit, dude, I hit my limit. Dude, I never hit my limit. Well, I guess that's it for now, gang. We're gonna stop and wait. I gotta wait 40 minutes. And from there, we can open back up. So, peace out. This has been AI Vibe Coder. Are you back on later tonight?